let's prepare our seasoning for our winter squash. We're gonna start with a little bit of oil. Oh, that's wonderful. We're gonna do some cinnamon. Yes, wonderful. We're gonna do some basil. Absolutely, a wonderful herb, basil. And then we're gonna hit it with a little black pepper. That's great. And some salt. Okay, that's what we want. We want some salt. All right, let's mix this up nicely. Let's mix this up. Oh, that looks rich. That looks rich. I'm going to add a little more basil. I love my herb. Wonderful. Just add some more basil. Don't be shy. All right. That's wonderful. I like that. A little pasty. That's what we want. A little pasty. That looks about right. That's how you want it. Okay? There you go. We're going to take that wonderful mixture and pour it right over our winter squash. Look at that. Get that right in there. All right. Now we're going to take it. And like I showed you guys, pull up from the center and pull it up. Look at that. Look at that. It's going to coat nicely. That's what you want. You just want to coat it nicely. Oh, that's looking rich. That's beautiful. There you have it. Beautiful. Okay. We're just going to put it in the pan nicely. Just spread out real nice. Just like this. There you go. That's what you want to do. This way it cooks nice. Beautiful. Cooks nice and evenly. That looks about right. There you go. Let's pop this in the oven. All right, we're going to put this in the oven at a 350 to 375 for a good 15 to 20 minutes. This is looking wonderful. We take these out. This is where you want it. Oh, yes. Now we're going to put that honey glaze I was telling you about. Nicely put that honey glaze right over it. The reason why we didn't do that earlier, guys, is because, you know, it may burn on you. So you don't put it right in. You put it in after you get it to about this level. Look at that. Glaze it nicely. Look at that. Then we're going to put it back in the oven and let that bake right in. That wonderful honey bake right in there. That's about right. That's how you want it. Oh, my goodness. Let me get that back in. That looks delicious. Oh, my goodness. Put this in for 3 to 5 minutes. All right, guys, here you have it. Winter squash with a wonderful honey glaze. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. Well, until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.